everyone, welcome back to our channel How Logical. In this video, I will walk you through on how to get logged into your Mythdhr account. Now if you also want to learn how to do it, follow all the steps and stick till the end. And before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Now firstly open up any web browser on a PC and there search for Mythdhr login. Now from the search results, select the first option, self-service, and then you will taken to its official home page. Now scroll this page a bit down and there you will see the three links. Now the first link, which is current associate, click here to log in, which means if you're the current employer of this company, you can click this first link, but if you're former employee of this company, then you have to select the second link, former associates and associates on LOA. Click here to log in, and if in case you have forgotten your password, you can retrieve your password by tapping on forget password link. Now if you're still the employer of this company, tap on the first link and there you will taken to the next page where you have to fill in the details like your location, user ID and password. Now choose the order location or store and there type in your store number or order location number. Now if you have chosen your store as your location, you have to type in your ASI ID, and if you have chosen other location, then you have to type in your LAN ID here. And lastly, you have to type in your account password. Now once you're done with filling all the details, tap on login button to get logged into your Home Depot account. Now that's how easily and quickly you can get logged into your Mythdhr account. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for this video and I will be back with more videos like this.